the man, I tell him it's my life. Man, I tell him in the studio, man, I vibe in his life.
Hey guys, it's Jody and I'm back with some new weave, new techniques. So to make your wig, of course, you're gonna need a hot glue gun, some glue gun sticks. Yes, I found the black ones, you guys. Some scissors, you need an elastic band and needle and thread if you want to sew your wig down, as well as a stocking cap, a spandex dome cap, some weave, of course, and a foam mannequin head. So y'all, I was browsing the beauty supply stores, you know how I do, and I found this Outre hair. I've never seen it before. Look at this closure. It has like a silk closure. It comes with 4 bundles of synthetic hair. It's called the, Jamaican Ripple Wave. And I was like, is this new? So let me go and try it and see how it works out. Of course, you're going to put your mannequin head either in your lap, the side of a table, a wig stand, whatever. And of course, we're going to measure and cut our weave because it's synthetic. Like, why do anything else? This is honestly the easiest way and the only way I make my wigs in 30 minutes, you guys. So we're gonna take the glue gun. Once you plug it in, it warms up. And I managed to find a low heat hot glue gun in the craft store. It's not the one that's gonna burn your fingertips or burn your leg, which I did once. But yeah, you just chop up the synthetic hair, apply your glue, and paste it to your wig cap. And I do it kind of like in a U shape, starting in the back, like from ear to ear, put them like a 1/4 inch apart, and just work my way up. And I don't even have to tell you guys, you can see that this black glue is a game changer. It looks so much cleaner on the application. If you watch my wig making videos before with the synthetic wigs, y'all can see that we've come a long way, okay? So I'm always willing to give you guys updated tips and tricks. So I found the black glue guns. I bought them on Amazon, Team Amazon Prime, and it actually works really well. I don't see a difference in the way it holds yet. It's just pretty basic and pretty flawless if you ask me. And here is when I use a new bundle. There's a little bit of extra hair that comes off when you first open it, but I'm actually impressed with this wefting. Like, come through Outre, they actually improved the synthetic hair, because in the past, and I've tried a lot of synthetic hair, the wefts were so thin, you'd be like, what do I do with this? So I'm pleased that in 2018, you can get super cheap synthetic hair that looks the same for that temporary occasion, or if you just can't afford virgin hair right now. So that's what I'm here for, girls, and I'm just going to continue gluing the hair. Then when I've gotten to like a sufficient portion of the U shape, I glue that closure on. Yes, glue the closure on. Why? It's so much quicker and it actually works. I just apply glue to the sides of the closure, not the middle, but the extra reinforcement around. I glue it to the cap just as I would the wefting. And again, this makes our job so much easier, girls. Once I'm done, you wouldn't even be able to tell this wig would take 30 minutes to make. I promise. So there comes this awkward point when you press the glue gun and it doesn't push out much glue because it's like almost done. So what you want to do is push another stick through until it kind of blends together. And then you could just use your glue gun. So I'm gonna continue gluing. Are you guys enjoying the tutorial so far? Let me know. Give this video a thumbs up.
Well, my band is okay. Anytime they see me, they don't want to feel me. They just want to talk. Take it raw head, okay. If you play my music, if you get my CD, make you hit me when you see me now. They want to know. Tobari me in the street to my say, only make them, they got to go. Tobari me in the bed, to my calm down.
See how easy that was? It's like magic, huh? I know. So now that you've seen how I make my wig, I cut out that extra part on the cap under my lace and I put the wig on my head. It fits like a glove because I kind of know how to make my wigs for my head now. But what I'm going to do is just make everything ton up, make it look more natural. So I pull out my eyeshadow, pull out my concealer, pull out my mousse, and then I'm just going to flatten the top of the wig.
When me chilling for me yard, I'm sitting on a low key. Shake Man a bad man, they can try this.
Okay, y'all, one last tip. Since this is silk based on the closure, you don't need to pluck it, so I flattened it with a curling iron, and of course I had to test it for you guys because I didn't want to burn through my weave or burn through the closure. And I just used my concealer to create like a faux part, and I was shook that you didn't even have to pluck this closure. Now I'm setting the hair because I applied mousse to it, so I put a scarf on, leave it on for about 5-10 minutes. And after that, you have your gorgeous look for less. Now you want to show off to your friends, post it on social media. While you're at it, just tag me at TheBrilliantBeauty, and I want to see your looks. I actually got 2 of these textures from their new line. I believe there's 4 in total. I really wanted to go inside the beauty supply store and show you guys in person like how to get this hair, but I got you next time because I do have another one. Thumbs up if you want to see another one of these for the summer. This is perfect. My goal is to do all 4. If you guys like them, I'll do all of them. Just let me know in the comments below. Watch these videos next. I'll see you there.
Then they use me to play. Man, I'm vibing all